Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission in the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. That Ford Focus, guys, we'll be working on that one today. Let me just tell you quick, we'll have more than 200 videos uploaded, so we'll keep uploading quite a few videos. Please subscribe, guys, and if you need help with anything, just drop a comment below. We'll try to make a video for your problem. So today's video, guys, if your driver's door, okay, on the driver's side front door actuator doesn't unlock or lock the door, okay, something's wrong, you have two options. Okay, there is a fuse for the central locking, but it's going to control all the doors, okay, not just this one. And if you have problems only with the driver's side door actuator on the front one, you have two fuses that you need to check, and it could be the actuator itself, and we'll have a video how to do that as well. So please, guys, check out the channel. Now let me show you which two fuses you need to check. You need to go to the passenger side. As you know, you have some fuses under the hood, but in our case it's not there, it's under the glove box. And when I open the door, you will notice that we remove the glove box of our vehicle, but you do not have to remove it. Okay, if you need to, if you want to see how, it's on the channel, but you don't have to do it. Why we removed it now is so we can show you in a better way, okay, where all the fuses are. Now let me just install that cover. Okay, that cover usually, okay, stays here. So by removing this cover, you don't have to remove the glove box. Okay, check it out, like that. So you need to pull just those two pieces out and pull the cover. And from that point on, you're going to be able to access your BCM fuse box right here. So now, which fuses, guys, okay, we need to check. The first fuse that we need to check is fuse number 66. Okay, and there is one more fuse after that. So 66, guys, if you come to the second row, okay, right here on the side, the top right corner of the fuse, it tells you which number it is. 66 is this fuse here. So I'm going to go ahead, pull this one out. Okay, I will inspect it. Okay, this one seems fine. Okay, but I cannot show you too good because those are not very good fuses. We'll be using replacement fuses if we have a burned fuse, and you can find those listed in the description of the video below. That's amazing deals on fuses, and they're so cheap, come even with a fuse puller, so super good deal. So I'll install this one. I don't think this one doesn't seem burnt. Okay, we have a video on the channel that's going to explain how to test fuses as well, to be 100% sure. The second fuse that we need to check is fuse number 8084. Okay, this one right here. So I'll pull this one. Okay, and this one does look burnt, so I'll replace it with a new one. Okay, the one right here, that's a 20 amp fuse. You need to double check. Okay, and all we have to do now, go ahead and install it. So perfect. Next thing, just install your carpet here, that cover, and push the two clips in. So thank you for watching, guys. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We, guys, have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.